How to use the online IGCSE Business Studies A-Star Essentials course. The Cambridge A-Star Essentials course is now live.
Ignition and liftoff of Shuttle Endeavour.
But how can you make the most of all that learning power? Well, this guide is going to show you how. The trial course is available for free now for all members, so head to caiabusiness.com to check it out and stay up to date with all the courses and resources to drive you to success in Cambridge business. So once you log in, you come to the My Dashboard page. Here you can see all the different courses that you're enrolled in. You can see how much progress you've made on different courses. And you can also change your profile picture if you want to. So let's take a closer look at financial information and decisions. We just click on that and that will take us straight to the financial information and decisions course. Each course is set up exactly like the syllabus. In each subsection of the course, you have each of the videos which cover the course content. Then you have a knowledge check to check and embed your knowledge. Then you have an exam practice question and solution. And that's the same format for each of the different sections. Until you come to the end where you get to see the case study practice. So let's look at one of the course sections in more detail. Let's go for cash flow. And we'll look at cash flow and cash flow forecasting. So in the video, we have all the need to know information, past paper questions, essential evaluation, top tips, and common mistakes to avoid. If you want to use the subtitles, you just click on the closed captions at the bottom, select English, press play, and voila. If you're happy that you've completed the course, just click on Mark Complete here. And then that will automatically take you to the next section, but you've also got next section here if you need to go to the next section, or you can navigate on the side panel here to all of the different sections. Once you have the 2 video tutorials in this section done, you can move to the knowledge check. So we click on the interactive activity and then we can begin. There's an important reminder here to hit the hint box if you need some extra help. So in this example, it asks for 2 examples of cash outflows in a business. If we need the extra help, we could click here and would find out the cash outflow is when money leaves a business. So that would be payment of employees' wages and payment of the electricity bill. When you're happy, you're finished your answer, you just click next and that will take you to the next question. If you want to navigate more quickly, you can go to the top here or you can use this to review the questions. Apart from multiple choice, there are gap fill, calculation, ranking, and matching activities. When you're finished, click Finish Interactive Activity, and then you can get feedback on your results. So you just need to press the View Questions for that one. And then it will tell you the correct answers, give you some encouragement, but also tell you how to improve next time. You can retake the interactive activity as many times as you like. You just have to click on the Restart Interactive Activity and this will take you right back to the start again. If you want to move to another course, you just click on My Account and let's check out marketing and let's have a look at the case study. So once you've completed all of the different sections, you can go to the case study practice. With the case study practice, you might want to spend 5 minutes reading the case study first. These are individual case studies specifically for this course. You won't see them anywhere else, but they are specifically designed for the 2020 Cambridge IGCSE syllabus. And if you can't remember how to do these types of questions, don't worry, because I put in the question guides for both Part A and Part B at the start so you can refresh before you begin the questions. Once you're ready to begin, click on the questions and you'll see an 8-mark and a 12-mark question, which is the same format for each of the case study practices. You'll have about 20 minutes in the exam for these questions, so I'd recommend, if you're doing it under time conditions, to spend 20 minutes doing these 2 questions. Once you're finished, you can compare your answers to the exemplar solutions by clicking on Solutions. And you've got 2 choices. You can see a step-by-step guide to how to answer the question, or you can just look at the transcript of the exemplar, which is copy and pasted below. Once you finish the section, click Mark Complete. So in total, the IGCSE course has 117 video tutorials, 34 past paper questions and solutions, 10 question guides and 210 interactive activities. So that should be enough to keep you going for a while, but I'm always looking to improve. So please send me your comments and suggestions, as I'll be continuing to update and improve. But that should be enough to get you started, so get stuck in. Thank you for watching. The trial course is available now at caibusiness.com, along with loads of other resources and courses specifically designed to take you to the top in Cambridge Business exams. Please let me know what you think, and remember to subscribe to stay updated with the latest tutorials to take you to the top in Cambridge Business exams. If you'd like to check out the IGCSE Survival Guide to Paper 1, click over here. And if you'd like to find out how to improve your English in Business Studies exams, click over here. See you next time.